Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix DoorDash unable to verify identity. So let's get started. So the first step you can try is double checking your information. So difference between your name or your official document can cause problems. Also make sure that you have added the correct address. Common mistakes are spelling mistakes and incorrect formats. Now you can try verifying your documents. So make sure that the documents you're uploading are clear and completely visible. DoorDash needs to verify your face, your signature, and also your documents, so make sure all of these three are actually visible. Now you can also try updating your DoorDash app. So go to your App Store or your Play Store and make sure to update the application, and this would fix any bugs. Now you can also try contacting customer support. So contact them using their website and provide them your details and explain to them your issues, and they will help you in resolving the issue. Now if there are many verification problems with your ID, you might get a hold on your account. Once the necessary documents are verified, your hold will be taken off. So it might take a few business days and you need to be patient. And these steps should fix you in verifying your identity. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.